I launched a product I was proud of. But the more I used it, the more I realized something was wrong. It was fine, but I didn't want to sell something that I wouldn't use myself. I'm Jack Moranitz. I'm a mechanical engineer and a printmaker. A while ago, I launched a product called the Chameleon Baren. It's a modular hand tool that's for printmakers of all types. It can replace expensive traditional tools or even a printing press. It worked, kinda. I even got some good feedback from real customers, but something fell off. It left me with a nagging feeling. The more I used it, the more I noticed things that I just couldn't ignore. I wanted it to be the best tool that I could make. But as soon as I started noticing the little things like ergonomics, usability, pressure application, and other performance issues, I couldn't unsee them. And the worst part, I didn't even feel proud of this project which I'd put so much of my own resources and time into. Even early on in that project, I started to notice possible improvements to the design, but I felt like I was too late in the process. And now that all this time has passed, I wish I had taken more of those steps earlier. Regardless, after enough time had passed, I knew that I wanted to redesign the Baren. It's not like it was an easy decision to make because I knew how much had gone into the first version, but with my personality, I just couldn't let it be. This time, instead of updating or patching the first version, I was gonna start from scratch. I wanted to redesign, rebuild everything just the way I want it to be. Over the last few months, I've been doing a ton of work on this project. The grip, the mechanisms, even the size of the product have completely changed, so I've had to make all new prototypes, test, evaluate, and redesign the whole thing several times. It's so much so that, to be honest, I was even nervous to start making this video series because I was overwhelmed by the amount I have to share. But that's the reason I'm doing it. I want to share it with you guys. I want to help printmakers. It's not like this is $1 million business plan or something, but I want to share this with the people who have the same passion as me. This is just the beginning. I want to take this all the way, from a prototype to something real, something that people will actually use, and I'm bringing you with me. In the next episodes, I'll show you the things that you want to see, like how does it work? What does it look like? And before I go, I'll leave you with this. Over the past few months, there were times where I wasn't sure if I was making progress or if I was just overthinking everything. But to be honest, I'm close. I think I'm really close to a finished product. And I'm so excited to share the details with you soon. So if you're interested at all in this project, please make sure to subscribe, give this video a like and comment, and continue following the series. Your support would mean the world to me. So until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks.